Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and apply Zomato coupons? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Zomato application. There are two ways you can do so. So when you go ahead and set your location first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the top right and simply scroll all the way down until you see money or coupons right over here. So simply go ahead and tap on redeem gold coupon. This is where you can enter your valid gold coupon and go ahead and claim it. The other thing that you can do is simply when ordering any kind of food. So for example, let me just go ahead and let's say order this pizza right here. Click on add item, click on view cart, and once I've done that, as you can see, here's a exclusive coupon that has been right here. So simply go ahead and tap on apply and you can simply apply it, which is right over here applied, as you can see. However, if there is no coupons, there is going to be a button right over here where you can simply go ahead and apply coupons. As you can see, choose anything that you want. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button.